Hi, Simone here from Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker. Welcome to my newest listing, 175 Candlewood Drive in lovely South Windsor. This is a first floor unit with lots of space, bright, open, and airy. It's got an in-ground pool in the complex and you're close to shopping, malls, and anything you need. Conveniently located off Route 30, this condo offers easy access to local shopping, dining, and everyday amenities. Enjoy the benefits of low-maintenance living with central air, electric heat, a community pool, tennis courts, and grounds maintenance taken care of by the association. With pets allowed in a desirable rear location, 175 Candlewood Drive is a place you'll be happy to call home.
First floor comfort, stress-free days, love where you live in so many ways. Come see it now, don't let it slide. Your new home's in
So if you'd like to be among the first to receive photos of this awesome property, call us at 860-618-6233 or email us at team@teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.